Mr. Boys and Girls, Mr. Warholic here. He is looking over some of your math seesaw lessons, activities, and he's seeing that we have a little bit of confusion about the two strategies for subtraction. So I'm going to read the story problem to you right here, and then I'm going to show you with manipulatives how we would sound it out. And then I'm going to show you the two strategies that we use with paper pencil to prove our thinking. All right, so it says Mr. Warholic had 10 apples. He gave Wells 4 apples. How many apples does Mr. Warholic have left? So this last question here is a big clue that we need to subtract. Well, first, I gave 4 apples away, and it's asking how many I have left. So I'm going to write my number sentence, 10, take away the 4 apples I gave to Wells, equals an unknown number, or how many apples I have left. So I can take these pom-poms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put them in a tens frame to show that I had 10 apples. Now I'm giving 4 away. I don't have them anymore. Wells now has them. So 1, 2, 3, 4 apples went away. Wells took them home. This is how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you're struggling with this subtraction, I want you to find pennies, pieces of Cheerios, goldfish crackers, beads, something that you can use to help you figure out and actually take them away to help you build that understanding. Now, thing is though, we can't just do that. We have to show it on paper. So I'm going to use the circles and crossing off strategy first. So I'm going to start with 10. That's my big number. That's how many apples I started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I should always double check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep, I drew the right amount. I have to show on paper that 4 of those apples are gone, that Wells took them home. So I'm going to put an X over 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because that's how many Mr. Warholic gave Wells. And then I'm going to circle the ones that I didn't cross out. That's how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write 6 here. That matches the picture that I used with the when I use the manipulatives or the pom-poms to do it. That's strategy number 1. Now I need to use strategy number 2. This time we're going to use a break apart stick, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because that's how many apples I started out with. I can't draw any more circles or we would be doing addition. I have to show that 4 of them were taken away by Wells. So this time I'm going to start over here and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to draw a nice big break apart stick right here. And I'm going to circle the ones that are left over here. These are the 4 that I gave to Wells. These are the ones that I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yep. Using both strategies, I got the right answer. So 10 take away 4 is 6. I know I have the right answer now. If I put 10 fingers up and I took away 4, I would be left with 6. So that's a third way I can check my work. These are the two strategies that we have to use. If you are struggling with this, please come to my office hours so we can talk about it some more.